Hey there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you one publisher that's making $11,650 per month using a simple strategy that you could be taking advantage of as well. And the best part about this is that the strategy is absolutely free to do and it costs you nothing to implement. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to stick around. So if you're a beginner looking to make an income online or start a side hustle, or you're trying to get into a new niche, well, then this video is for you. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So what are we talking about today? Well, today we're going to be talking about the cute and cozy coloring book niche. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on Amazon. I typed in cute and cozy coloring book. This is a search suggestion that is coming up on Amazon. So people are actually searching for this exact term. You can see we have cute and cozy coloring book. We have cute and cozy coloring book for kids, cozy friends, cute and comfy coloring book. So there's a lot of keywords that are around this cute and cozy coloring book niche. But I went ahead and just went with the generic one right here. And the first thing that you're going to see is this purple bar on your screen. This is from a free plugin that I use from Self-Publishing Titans called Titans Quick View. It's absolutely free to use. So feel free to go ahead and download it and install it so you can see the same information that I'm seeing. And basically it gives you useful information such as the niche score for a keyword, as well as the total results for that keyword, the exact match. So books that are using this exact keyword in their title, and then how many books are independently published that are showing up on the first page. And it also comes up with more information on the bestsellers rank, the reviews, as well as the price. But the very first thing that I see right here is that it has 488 results. Now, when we're looking at how potentially profitable a niche is, I like to look at three specific things. Number one is the search results. I like to look for search results that are about 1,000 and below, because this is going to tell me that the competition is not so high. So there's a chance that if I put a book out in this niche, that it might be successful. Number two, I like to look for 3 KDP books or 3 competitors that all have a BSR or a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that there is demand in this niche because these books are already selling. And then number 3, I like to look for a niche score that's provided by the plugin that I'm using that has a score of 50 and above. So let's go ahead and try to analyze this niche. So for the first requirement, we're seeing 488 results. So that's well below the 1,000 that we're looking for. So that is a pass. Now let's go ahead and look through the first page to see if there's 3 KDP books that are ranking at 300,000 or below. So we see this first book right here that has a bestsellers badge called Cozy Friends. It's independently published, which tells us that this is in fact a KDP book, and it has a bestsellers rank of 133. So that's book number 1. The next book is ranked at 3 million. So that's not a good one right here. This one rank is not found. We have another one right here that's independently published and has a bestsellers rank of 580. So that's book number 2. Another book right here ranking at 261. So that's already book number 3. But let's go ahead and look through the rest of the first page to see how many more books we can find. We have one right here at 432,000. That's a little bit above the 300,000 that we're looking for. We have another one right here, Cute and Cozy Easy Coloring Book, ranking it at 99,000. We have this one at 245. This one is at 286. We have this one at 5,680. So we're seeing that there's a lot of books that are selling in this niche. So that's a very good sign. Paired that with the low search results, and we're starting to see a winner here. And with a niche score of 55, that's above the 50 that I'm looking for. So I'm pretty confident that this niche is actually a very, very profitable niche if you get a good product out for customers to buy. And that's in fact what we're going to look at right now is one publisher that is doing really well just from 3 of their books, selling over $11,000 per month. And it's actually this publisher that we're going to take a look at right now, which is right here. If we take a look at this one right here, we can see that this has a bestsellers rank of 13,255. You can see that it was just published this month, just a few days ago on June 13. And the fact that it has the #1 new release badge so quick in just a few days is actually pretty crazy. But I'm going to show you how this publisher has been able to do this. And so stick around for that. But we can see this book is only made up of 20 coloring pages. And you can see here 20 original pages to color, hand drawn by a real artist. So this person doesn't actually mention that they are the artist. So I'm assuming that they outsource it. So they hire someone to create these type of interiors for them. And so that's something that I can show you how to do at the end of this video. So stick around if you want to see that. So this book is overall 47 pages and it's priced at $11.99. But what I want to show you is this graph right here, which shows the rank of the book. And we can see that when it was first published on June 14, maybe for that day it didn't sell, but then you can see it started selling. And if you know Amazon KDP, you'll know that your book is usually not going to sell within the first couple days, and to give it a couple weeks, even a couple months to start selling consistently, unless you're using paid ads. But this person, I don't believe, is using paid ads to get their book selling this fast. Now, if we go ahead and look at some of the A+ content to see the interiors of this book, we're going to see this is the type of coloring interior for this book right here. And so this is actually really good because it gives us an idea of how to compete with this type of book. This is not something you want to copy, but this is going to give you some inspiration and something to model your book after, because this type of book is already selling well. So why not try to model after this book? But then if we scroll down, we're going to see that they have their other books right here, which is a good way to get more eyeballs on your books and eventually get more sales. So if you're not implementing this type of A+ content into your book listings, I highly suggest that you do. So I'm gonna link my video in the description below, or you can click somewhere on the screen right now, and it's gonna show you how to make A+ content just like this so you can make more sales. Now, if we go and look at the bestsellers rank right here and put this into a sales calculator so we can see how much this book is estimated to be making, we can see that with the bestsellers rank of 13,255, we can see that this book is making about 20 sales per day, which is 600 sales per month. That's about $100 or $3,026 per month. And if we go ahead and look at the royalty calculator, I put in all the figures in here, and we're going to see this publisher is making over $5 per sale on this book. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at their next book, this has a ranking of 15,849, and it's very similar to the other book. Let's go ahead and look at the BSR right here. So if we zoom out to look at when it was published, which was on May 12th of this year, we can see it has the same kind of effect. Right away, you can see it starts selling. And then there's a point right here where the ranking just dropped dramatically, and it's selling really, really well right now. Well, I'm going to show you this strategy really soon. And let's go ahead and quickly glance at the A+ content. You can see it's very similar to the last book, just a different theme, but the style is the same. So let's go ahead and put the BSR into the sales calculator to see how much it's making. We can see with the bestsellers rank at 15,849, this book is making about 17 sales per day and 500 sales per month, and is making about $85 per day, which is $2,572 per month. And so if we add those two up right now, we're going to get a total of $5,598 per month for just two of these books. And we still have this third one to go. So this book right here has a ranking of 5,680. We can see it was published April 11 of 2024. So just a few months ago. Same kind of thing with the rest of the books. 20 original pages, priced at $11.99. And if we look at the graph, we're going to see a very similar thing. So when it first was published, it did not sell for a couple of days. And then boom, May 12, it just dropped dramatically. This publisher did something to get this sales rank to drop like this and maintain it. And I'm going to show you that really, really soon. But let's go ahead and look at the A+ content. But as you can see, it's just a different theme, but very similar design. So let's go ahead and put this sales rank into the sales calculator to get the running total. So with the bestsellers rank of 5,680, this book is making about 40 sales per day, which is about 1,200 sales per month. And that's about $201 per day or $6,052 per month. And so total, this publisher is making $386 per day and $11,650 per month. So how is this publisher getting these results so fast? Well, let me show you. So I did a little bit of digging and I found out that this publisher actually has some social media pages. And so here is their YouTube channel where they're running shorts on their books. And as you can see, there's a couple hundred views per short. So it's obviously helping visibility on their books. And if we go ahead and just look at one of them, let's watch this one. As you can see, it's just her coloring her coloring book, which is a great tactic and a great strategy to try to get your books sold. And apparently this is a trend right now with publishers, just basically coloring your book and putting it on social media and hoping one of those videos goes viral. Now, if we go ahead and click on her link, it'll take us right here. She has her books right here that's linked to Amazon, so we know this is her. And then she has her other social media links right here, which I went ahead and looked around. So if we go to the Instagram one, we can see that she's posted 31 times, has 408 followers. It's not bad. And if we look through the reels, same kind of story, a little bit more views on Instagram than on YouTube. As you can see right here, it's the same kind of thing. The other thing too is that she has a Pinterest account. And so we can see right here, she has 55 followers and almost 40,000 monthly views. And if you know anything about Pinterest, well, Pinterest is basically a search platform. And so this is a good way of making sales for your books if you were just to put up these pins on your profile. As you can see, she does the same thing. I think she's just reusing the exact same videos, but this is definitely helping her. So if we go ahead and click at a random one, so let's go to this one right here. So she's also monetizing it in a different way where she's allowing digital downloads for just $2 each. But I believe she will link her Amazon book right here. So yes, this is it right here. You can buy on Amazon. This is one of the books. But where she's making her mark on Amazon is actually with TikTok. So as you can see here, she has 36,000 followers and over 800,000 likes. So, this is where she's getting the majority of her traffic. And if we go look at some of these TikToks, we can see this one right here has 4 million views, and a lot of them have tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of views. So let's go ahead and check out this one. And as you can see, these are the same types of videos that we've seen on the other platforms, just reused, but it's just doing better on TikTok. And as you can see, if we scroll down the comments, people seem to really enjoy this type of video. And here's even one comment that they're excited to purchase their own. So as you can see, taking advantage of social media and creating these simple videos of you coloring your book can be pretty advantageous because all you need is one to go viral and you're not really depending on Amazon to help you make sales. And so it's only going to help you in the long run. And I actually made a video on another viral method just like this. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and check the link down below or click somewhere around this video for you to watch that. But the best part about this is all free. Instagram is free. YouTube is free, TikTok is free, Pinterest is free, social media is free. And it only takes a little bit of time to go and create these type of videos, upload them, and just let people find them, watch them. And if they want and they like it, they're gonna buy your book. So now if you're interested in making these types of books and these types of interiors, the next part is where do we go and do that? Because, for example, this publisher has mentioned that they probably don't create it themselves and they probably hire someone to do it for them. So the easiest way is actually to just go to Fiverr. So here I am on Fiverr and I typed in Amazon KDP coloring book and just looking down all these gigs. All we need to do is find something that we like and something that has a similar vibe to the book that we were looking at. And the thing is, if we don't find one right off the bat off of these listings, you could always contact the seller and send them an image of the interior that you want to create and see if it's something that they can do. For example, if you found this seller right here and you kind of see like they have that cute kind of style of interior, then maybe you can go ahead and click contact me here and then ask them and see if they can make something similar to the book that you want to be competing with and see if it's something that they can be doing for you as well. Or you can go to this type of gig right here and then send her over an example and see if she could do it. This one is for $15. You get one basic cover, one book interior that's up to 30 coloring pages. For the standard, you get 3 cover designs, 3 book interiors up to 90 coloring pages. And then the premium is more than that. And you can see these are the niches that she does. Also, another thing that's good is that she does unlimited revisions. So she will keep revising her design until you are satisfied. And then the other thing to note, which is really important, it says, I also accept custom orders. So this is what we're talking about right here. So this is worth a shot to see if this person can create the type of interior that you're looking for. Now, if you're interested in keywords and helping you create low and medium content books on Amazon KDP, well, I have a bunch of keywords that's available in my Gumroad shop. So I'm going to put the link down below for you to check out. And I just want to say thank you for anyone that's actually paid for my keywords, because all of that money is going back into the channel so I can make more videos just like this for you guys. And I want to thank everyone else that's downloaded my keywords, because it's telling me that you want to go ahead and create books on Amazon and start making sales and start making passive income. Well, there you have it. That's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.